Hi guys, so today I get this. Today I went to pick up this box from my Amazon locker. So those are wig I received from Amazon, so I can leave them review. So I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So bear with me. So on total, so I received. This is one of them. This is the second one. That is the third one. And there's a fourth one. Okay, and then I got one more coming. I think I'm gonna receive that on Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, so let's open that one with me to see how it's look. Okay. So this is the bag it's come with. Okay, there's the bag. Let's open it with me to see how this looks like. Okay, we got a recap. And let's stay here. Me open it. And it's a 20 inches. Okay. Okay, so you got a bin of got this with it. So this is the here. That is a 20 inch. I feel like, I don't know, is it me? I feel like this lace is big from the front. Okay, so this is the here. I think this is a HD. Yeah, I think it's a HD. And it's a 13 by 4. But it's a HD. This is the baby here from the front. So yeah, that's one of them. So I'm gonna have to install, then leave review for them. Okay, that's one of the here I open. So let's open another one. Okay, let's open this one. Let's see what inside this one. Okay, this one doesn't have, that one doesn't have no, oh, never mind. It got a recap. I thought it didn't have no recap, but it got one. And then I got this inside it. Contact us to get the free wigs. Okay. Right here. Here, so we're gonna open it. That's the inside the wig, but that's definitely 13 by 4. Yes, that is a 13 by 4. So that is the wig, okay guys? But this is my first time gonna be wearing a blonde wig. I never wear a blonde wig before, but that is my first time. But I think I'm gonna put some like brown from the wood, but that'll be my first time wearing a blonde one. Okay, so that's the hair. Okay guys, oh oops, that's the hair. Got a tag on it. Oh, is it 13 by 6? I thought the 13 by 6 is more like over here. It's more. This is a 13 by 4. That's not 13 by 6. The 13 by 6 over here, like it's more. It's like right here. But that's definitely 13 by 6. That's not 13 by I mean that's definitely 13 by 4, not 13 by 6. Because the 13 by 6, like the lace doesn't come over here. That's 13 by 4 come over here. But the 13 by 4, it's more. But I'm gonna see the other one to show you the difference. But that's the second wig. That's the third one. So let's open the box. This is the 20. I think the blonde it's a, what's the blonde? Is it the blonde is a 22? I think the blonde, oh, I don't remember the inch for the blonde, but the blonde said 13 by 6. That's not 13 by 6. But anyway, oh, my camera almost fall. Anyway, so let's open that. This is I already show you, this is a 20, right? Yeah, that is a 20. It's coming in a nice box. Actually, the box is nice. I like it. The box is super nice. I like it. It's super nice. I like that. I like this the presentation. So here's the wig. Oh, that one doesn't come with no cap, I guess. Let me check inside because I don't see no cap. Okay, that one doesn't come with no cap. Just this. Okay, this is a, that is a straight one. That's straight here. That is a straight. You see, okay, now you see, you guys, you see the difference. You see that one is more. You see what I'm saying? You see what I was telling you guys earlier? That is more. Let me go up the blue. So right here, you see the difference? There's more lace than the blonde one. You see? So that is definitely 13 by 4. That's not a 13 by 6. This is it. That one is a 13 by 6. Definitely is a 13 by 6. But this is a, that is a straight one. So yeah, I had to leave. I have 4 wigs. I had to leave review for them. So that's the last one. This is the last one. That one is a, this one is a curly one, but let me see. I don't know. I don't see. Okay, this is 22 inches, 13 by 4, and get a little bit in it for the back. And then I got this cap. So we're gonna be the pen. Show you. All right. Yeah. 22. Is that a body wave or I mean, I'm not body wave. No, I'm like deep wave. There is deep wave. There is water wave. So I don't know which one of it. So I have to check to go back to my Amazon order to see if it's a deep wave or water wave. So this is it here. That is the last part. See, you see this one, that was it. That one is 13 by 4. The same thing has the blonde. That's a 13 by 4. But the blonde said 13 by 6, but there's no way this one is 13 by 6. So this is 13 by 4. The blonde is 13 by 4. So it's not 13 by 6. So they make a mistake. But yeah. So yeah, this is the final one. So I'm gonna have to, you know, install these wigs to leave review for those company. Okay, if you guys want to be a wig influencer, so you guys can, you know, comment under the video and share, subscribe and like. Okay, so I will put you guys on. So I will show you, like, next time I'm doing a video, I can show you, I can do some contact for you guys, so that for you guys to contact those companies, so they're gonna be sponsor you guys. Okay, so bye, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.